Hi, Chris. I want to show you the data wipe and system audit tool that we're going to make available to you so that you can do the second phase of in-event returns effectively and at no cost. It works from a USB flash drive that you insert into the Dell. When you switch the Dell on, the Dell itself boots off Windows to Go OS, which is a Windows OS that they've developed specifically to run from a USB drive. On that USB drive is going to be the BizFrame Decom tool and some utilities that it runs. Two of the utilities are for free, and the other one you have to buy a license for. When the BizFrame tool started up automatically, it will read the serial number from the Dell and then talk to the cloud, where we will have a preloaded decommissioning job loaded, and that will then download the whole decommissioning task to the engineer, as the decommissioning jobs can be different for different types of decommissioning. The tool will run the burn-in diagnostics test, which will be uploaded to the cloud server. Thereafter, it will run the cpuz utility, which does a detailed hardware audit of the machine, and it also gets uploaded. And lastly, it's going to run the active kill disk, which will update the secure wipe certificate to the cloud. All of this gets saved in the BizFrame application, which gives us our audit trail and proof of compliance. The hardware functionality audit results, which most of them are automated, CPU down to the network, but the engineers have to run USB keyboard and mouse checks manually. The configuration audit, which can check if the vital specs are met. So if you've got important specifications, that's what's expected, that's what's found, and whether it's acceptable or not. And then utility reports are all kept for compliance as well. The kill disk certificate, if you click on the document attachment, that will be shown. The diagnostic report with the detailed diagnostics here. Some of these reports are quite long. And then lastly, the cpuz report. Nathan's also going to look to see if he can use this tool going forward for all of your future decommissionings. I think it'll work well for that. We can have a simpler version if it's not a return to in-event.